All right, today we have a new set of outdoor solar landscape lights. Now these have 35 LEDs on each light. This is a 4-pack, so there's 4 in here. Solar powered, ambient light sensor, IP67 waterproof. Nothing on the bottom, just a little sticker there. Special thanks to the company for sending this to me to create a video to show everyone. Kind of same thing on the top here. We have 35 LEDs, solar outdoor wall light, waterproof, frost resistant, heat resistant. There's a little bit of the specs on the side. Working time is 18 to 12 to 6 hours. So I guess that depends on your brightness. 3 brightness lighting modes, insert ground or wall mounting, and 35 LEDs. Got a little picture there, outdoor solar landscape lights. Oh, and then the same, well, it's on each side. Okay, so let's open it up. All right, so we got all of our sticks. 1, 2, 4. And then looks like some screws. So it looks like there's only 2 packs of screws, but each set of screws has 4 screws in it. So that would give you 2 for each one. Of course, math. And here's our 4 solar lights and a little manual, and that's it for the box. So of course, with these being solar, you'd want to put them out in the ground and power them on as early as possible. That way they can get sun absolutely all day. And let's take a look. Oh, wow, a little different design than the other ones that I have. So that little screw can be tightened and loosened once you get it set. And that's how you can mount it directly to the wall. This is your power button. I don't know if it'll, nope, I don't think there's any charge. Very nice. And then this, of course, just slides in and bada bing. You can stick it down in the ground. All right, so let's take these outside, get them charging, and then I'll show you exactly how bright these really are. All right, so we have mounted these here in front of the front porch windows, and so they should get enough sun to light up. We're gonna put them on the lower setting, but I'll show you all 3 settings tonight once it's nighttime. All right, so it is officially nighttime, and this is the 2 lights that I put out here earlier. As you can see, they are pretty bright, but that is what they look like. I have 2 more that I'm going to end up putting somewhere else, but you can kind of see from the brightness right here that these are pretty bright. Now these also have 3 modes. So this is on the brightest mode. If I press the button, it goes off, and then there's this mode, which is the low light, and then this mode, which is the medium light, and then back to this mode, which is the brightest light. And so there we go. That'll do it for these solar landscape lights. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.